हॅलो सर, आवाज येत नाही हो तुमचा.
हॅलो.
हॅलो. नो साऊंड सर. हॅलो, आवाज येतोय का सगळ्यांना?
Yes, sir.
हॅलो.
Hello. Am I audible? Okay. It's okay. So am I audible? Yes. So we'll see there next example there in differential. So what is that? If y is equals to a raised to x into b raised to 2x minus 1. Then evaluate the value of d square y by dx square. So in this case, their function is given, and to differentiate how many times? 2 times. Okay. So you go here one by one. So what is that first derivative with respect to x? That is, let dy by dx. It is called full derivative of y with respect to x. That is d by dx of a raised to x into b raised to 2x minus 1. It's a function, but in this function, in every term there is x. Need to apply the product law in differential. And which is that product law? First into derivative of second plus second into derivative of first. So first function keep as it is into derivative of second. And what is the derivative? So derivative of b raised to 2x minus 1. So already you know the result of differential for d by dx of a raised to x. And what is the derivative? A raised to x into log of a into derivative of x, that is 1. So it's a derivative of a raised to x. So same result here in this we have to apply. And by this result, so what is there? B raised to 2x minus 1 into log of b. Is that completed? No. Into derivative of 2x minus 1 with respect to x, it is 2. It's a derivative of second term plus second term keep as it is into derivative of first. And what is the derivative of first? A raised to x into log of a into derivative of x, it is 1. Okay. So in this case, what is that common to both? A raised to x into b raised to 2x minus 1. So these are the common terms between these two. So take it outside, and what is that remaining? That is equals to a raised to x, b raised to 2x minus 1. And what is that remaining? 2 into log of b. Log of b plus log of a is there. Log of a. So it's a first derivative of function with respect to x. Now next, to find their second derivative of y with respect to x. So this is what dy by dx. So what is that next derivative? It is d square y by dx square. तो आप लोग कैसे find कर सकते हैं? So once again you have to apply their product law. But here in this product law, need to apply their law only on first two term, because in second term there are constant. तो सेकंड टर्म में कांस्टेंट होते हैं. देखो तो कौन से टर्म कांस्टेंट है? 2 into log of b plus log of a. So we can simplify by using their logarithmic law. And how you simplify? Yes, a raised to x into b raised to 2x minus 1. And what is that third law? 2 log b means what? Log of b square is there. Log of b square means what? N log m e. It is log of m raised to n plus log of a is there. तो आप लोगों को ये थर्ड लॉ से आप क्या कर सकते हैं? ये मल्टीपल टर्म पावर के फॉर्म में आ सकती है. सो लॉग ऑफ बी स्क्वायर इज देयर. सो लॉग ऑफ ए प्लस लॉग ऑफ बी, दैट इज लॉग ऑफ ए बी. एंड बाय दिस व्हाट यू गेट देयर? ए रेज टू एक्स इनटू बी रेज टू 2x minus 1 into log of ab square into log of ab square. So here in this case, that is in this product, log of ab square is constant because it doesn't have their term of x. So in their first two term there is x. हो रहा है ना? पहले दो टर्म में x होता है, तो यहाँ पे need to apply product law on first two term, and last term keep as it is because it is constant. So log of ab square आप लोगों को ऐसे ही रखना है. And next to apply their product law in first two term, that is a raised to x into b raised to 2x minus 1, and it is similar to that of last. जैसे आप लोगों ने फर्स्ट टाइम में अप्लाई किए वैसे ही आप लोगों को यहाँ पे इसी प्रोडक्ट में प्रोडक्ट रूल अप्लाई करना है. सो a raised to x keep as it is into derivative of b raised to 2x minus 1. So b raised to 2x minus 1, it is just like b raised to x. And what is the derivative? b raised to 2x minus 1 into yes, into log of b. Is that completed? No. Into derivative of index for b with respect to x, and it is 2. ये आप लोगों को 2 मिलेगा, प्लस सेकेंड टर्म की एज इट इज, दैट इज b रेज टू 2x माइनस 1. तो ये आप लोगों को ऐसे ही रखने. एंड नेक्स्ट टू फाइंड द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ फर्स्ट टर्म विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x, दैट इज a रेज टू x. एंड so what derivative is there? So a raised to x into log of a is there. So between these two, so which is that common? A raised to x and b raised to 2x minus 1, it is common to both. Take it outside. That is d square y by dx square is log of ab square into a raised to x b raised to 2x minus 1 into. So between these two, what is that common? A raised to x into b raised to 2x minus 1, and the remaining is what? Log of b into 2 means 2 log b, and 2 log b is log of b square. So I will write here directly log of b square plus log of a is there. Log of a. And by second law or by their first law of log a plus log b is log of ab square. तो आप लोगों को क्या मिलेगा? Log of ab square, this is first term, but we'll get their similar term there in last. That is a raised to x into b raised to 2x minus 1 into log of ab square. So first and last term are same. That is what? Yes, it is nothing but square. That is log of ab square whole square is there into a raised to x b raised to 2x minus 1, and it's a second derivative of function with respect to x. So in this kind of correct option will be there in the equation like y is a raised to x into b raised to 2x minus 1. And in that, in this question need to find their second derivative, and this will get their second derivative, that is the correct option. Now see the next question. If sine of x plus y plus cos of x plus y is equals to log of x plus y, then y double dash is there. So y double dash means what? Second derivative of y with respect to x. They will provide here the symbol in different ways, but meaning is same. तो ये क्या होता है? सेकेंड डेरिवेटिव होता है. आप लोगों को सेकेंड डेरिवेटिव फाइंड आउट करना है इसी फंक्शन का. सो हाउ टू गेट देयर सेकेंड डेरिवेटिव? यस, by applying the same result that we have studied in past. Okay, so that is let sine of x plus y plus cos of x plus y, that is equals to log of x plus y. You seems to be their process is lengthy or job is lengthy. No, it's very simple. That depends on your understanding. And in this case, to find their y double dash means what? D square y by dx square means in that function you treat their x as an independent variable and y as a dependent variable, and from this you will get their d square y by dx square. Okay, तो पहले आप लोगों को साइन का डेरिवेटिव फाइंड करना है. तो साइन का डेरिवेटिव क्या होता है? कॉस होता है. तो कॉस ऑफ x plus y is there. So in this case we have not entered in their function, that is in place of x plus y we have taken their derivative of sine. So derivative of sine is cos, and next to find their derivative of term in function, and which is that term x. तो x का डेरिवेटिव 1 होता है. y का डेरिवेटिव क्या होगा? dy by dx is there plus, yes, derivative of cos, it is minus sine of x plus y, and once again you find the derivative of term in function with respect to x. तो x का डेरिवेटिव with respect to x क्या होता है? 1 होता है. 1 होगा. ऑलराइट ना. नाउ y का डेरिवेटिव क्या होता है? इट इज dy by dx. It is dy by dx. That is equals to. So those methods you apply here in first two terms to get the differential. Next to apply their own log. So log का डेरिवेटिव क्या होता है? 1 upon x plus y. 1 upon x plus y into x का डेरिवेटिव क्या होता है? 1 plus dy by dx is there. 1 plus dy by dx. Suppose you are considering all these terms to LHS, which is that common to all 1 plus dy by dx. So 1 plus dy by dx, 1 plus dy by dx. When you are shifting these terms to RHS, this will become minus. Yes, and from this, the term is common to all. Yes, which is that term which is common, which is that term common to all 1 plus dy by dx. So take this term as a common 1 plus dy by dx. ये term यहाँ पे आप लोगों को common मिलती है. And what is that remaining? It is cos of x plus y minus plus minus it is minus sin of x plus y minus 1 upon x plus y minus 1 upon x plus y, that is equals to 0. So in this case we have two more factors. So in the first factor there is term of dy by dx, but in second factor there is function of xy. So what is that term? Here in this we will consider to get their second derivative. First term you have to consider, because in first term there is dy by dx. Otherwise you will say why not you consider their second term. तो second term आप क्यों नहीं ले रहे? तो यहाँ पे dy by dx की term नहीं होती. First term में dy by dx की term होगी. और first term क्यों consider करें? Because need to find their second derivative. From their second factor, can you get their second order differential? No. This is possible only by using their first factor. तो यहाँ पे चॉइस करना किसके ऊपर डिपेंड होता है? डिफरेंशियल टर्म के ऊपर डिपेंड होता है. देखो, सो 1 प्लस dy by dx that is equals to 0. ये आप लोगों को फैक्टर लेना है, because need to find their second derivative of y with respect to x. Okay, so what is that dy by dx? यहाँ पे आप लोग क्या लेंगे? dy by dx की वैल्यू क्या होती है? dy by dx that is equals to minus 1. And next to find their second derivative, that is d square y by dx square. And what is that d square y by dx square? Means to find their d by dx of minus 1. And d by dx of minus 1 क्या होता है? 0. So it is nothing but y double dash. So this will correct option in this question. That is y double dash is 0. तो ये सही आंसर हो सकता है. y double dash of मतलब ये सही आंसर है. y double dash is 0 means it is called the second derivative of y with respect to x. So in this term, you should keep in mind why we have considered here 1 plus dy by dx, because need to find their y double dash, that is d square y by dx square. So we have taken here 1 plus dy by dx, that is 0, not to consider their second factor, because in second factor it doesn't have their term of dy by dx. ये जो second factor है यहाँ पे dy by dx की term नहीं होती. Okay. See here the next question. If x is equals to sine inverse of 2t upon 1 plus t square, and y is equals to root of 1 plus t square. Question is that then find dy by dx. तो आप लोगों को फर्स्ट डेरिवेटिव फाइंड करना है. कैसे? y with respect to x is there. But in this case, x and y are parametric functions, because these two depends on t. Okay. Again, one more is that sine inverse of 2t upon 1 plus t square means we can express that 2t upon 1 plus t square in the form of sine, and it is possible by using their substitution for t. So what substitution is, which is that correct substitution to convert their term of 2t upon 1 plus t square? तो correct substitution कौन सा होता है? substitute t is equals to tan theta. तो यहाँ पे आप लोगों को सही सब्स्टिट्यूशन लेना है, दैट इज t is equals to tan theta. तो थीटा की वैल्यू क्या होगी? थीटा इज इक्वल्स टू tan इनवर्स ऑफ t होता है. देखो when you are substituting there to t is equals to tan theta, definitely you will get their formula for sine, because everyone should have, or we have their formula for sine cos tan in terms of, yes, tan is there. Okay, so 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta is. So x is what? Sine inverse of sine 2 theta. It's a formula of sine 2 theta. So in this case, sine and their sine inverse, they will cancel. Okay, so they remain only x is equals to 2 theta. X is equals to 2 theta. Yes, x is equals to 2 theta. Now you come in there y. So what is that y? Y is equals to, yes, what is that y? Y is what? Root of 1 plus t square. Use that same substitution, that is root of 1 plus t की वैल्यू आप क्या सब्स्टिट्यूट करें? tan theta. So आप लोगों को क्या मिलेगा? tan square theta, and root of 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta. Yes, and root of sec square theta is sec theta. So I will write here directly y is equals to sec theta. But from this, what you have to determine? Yes, we have to find the value of dy by dx. dy by dx की आप लोगों को वैल्यू चाहिए. So dy by dx, तो उससे पहले आप लोगों को y के टर्म x में मिलना चाहिए. So can you get the term of y in terms of x? Yes, this is possible to express that y in terms of x. How it is? थीटा की वैल्यू क्या होती है? x by 2 होता है. देखो थीटा की वैल्यू x by 2 होती है, तो ये वैल्यू यहाँ पे सब्स्टिट्यूट करना, तो y कैसे होगा? y will be in terms of x, so sec of x by 2 असं भेटेल. And once you are getting their y in terms of x, so we can find their dy by dx. तो ये फंक्शन x से x के रूप में है, तो उनका डेरिवेटिव आप लोगों को फाइंड आउट करना है. सो व्हाट इज द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ sec? Sec का डेरिवेटिव sec into tan is there. Sec of x by 2 into tan of x by 2. So it's a derivative of sec. So sec into tan into derivative of x by 2 with respect to x, and it is half. तो ये आप लोगों को इसकी टर्म मिलेगी dy by dx. So this is what correct option for this question. ये ऑप्शन क्या होता है? करेक्ट ऑप्शन. Okay, so we have seen there number of examples there in differential. So along with that, we'll see their application of differential. So what are the application? So for example, velocity, acceleration. So these are the examples of application of differential. Okay. So see here the application. We'll see their example on application of differential. Find angle at which the two curves x cube minus 3xy square plus 3, that is equals to 0, and thrice into x square y minus y cube minus 3, that is equals to 0, intersects okay तो यहाँ पे एंगल इसी दोनों कर्व में जो होता है वो एंगल आप लोगों को फाइंड आउट करना है. सो हाउ टू गेट देयर एंगल बिटवीन दीज टू कर्व, एंड दिस इज पॉसिबल बाय यूजिंग देयर concept of differential. So need to find the derivative of first curve as well as second curve. And what does it means? If you are evaluating the derivative from this, what will you get there? They define the tangents to their curve. First derivative defines the tangent to their curves. Am I right? And once you are getting their tangent to curves, means what? From this we can find their slopes. So product of slopes should be क्या होना चाहिए? -1 होना चाहिए. So how to get their slopes? Means to find their first derivative with respect to x is there. So you consider here the curves one by one and then to find their difference. Consider here first curve, that is x cube minus thrice into xy square plus 3, that is equals to 0. Differentiating this expression with respect to x. Expression with respect to x is there. तो अगर आप x से डेरिवेटिव लेने जा रहे हैं तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा? In the first, in this expression, first term is having the term of x, but in second term there are x and y. So need to apply their product law. And there in third, what? There is constant and their differential will be 0. तो x cube का डेरिवेटिव क्या होता है? 3x square. 3x square is okay minus 3x keep as it is into derivative of y square, and derivative of y square it is what? 2y into y का derivative क्या होता है? dy by dx, because y is function of x, okay, plus second term keep as it is, that is y square, and derivative of minus 3x with respect to x, it is minus 3. What about the next? Plus derivative of 3 with respect to x, it is 0 because it is constant, and that is equals to 0. Derivative of 0 with respect to x, it is also 0. Okay. Now here in this case, need to find the value of dy by dx. And what it define? It defines the slope of first curve. Slope of first curve, that is the tangent. Okay. So except dy by dx, what are the remaining terms? 3x square minus 3y square. 3x square minus 3y square. Okay. So 3 is common to all. Take it outside and you can shift there to RHS, that is 0 by 3 is 0. So what are the remaining terms? If you are simplifying this by 3 or dividing, there are 3 on both the sides. So the remaining term will be, अगर इसी टर्म को और एक्सप्रेशन को 3 से डिवाइड करें तो कौन सी टर्म रहेगी? x square minus 2xy dy by dx minus y square, that is equals to 0. 3 से डिवाइड करना है या 3 कॉमन लेना, and you can shift that term of 3 from LHS to RHS, and 0 divided by any finite number, it is 0. So in this case, to find the value of dy by dx, so x square minus y square is the term which is 3 from dy by dx, and in which term there is dy by dx, that is minus 2xy into dy by dx, that is equals to 0. ये मिलता है. तो आप लोगों को dy by dx की वैल्यू फाइंड करना है because it defines the slope, that is tangent. Okay, so dy by dx is equals to, ये क्या होगा रे? माइनस टाइम्स इनटू, राइट? सो dy by dx क्या हो सकता है रे? अगर ये टर्म राइट में शिफ्ट कर रहे तो माइनस टाइम्स इनटू एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस वाई स्क्वायर अपॉन, यस, अपॉन क्या होगा रे? ये टर्म राइट में शिफ्ट करेंगे तो दिस फैक्टर बिकम्स minus, and when you, yes, you take here one more term, that is minus 2xy into dy by dx, and shift this term to RHS, it will become minus. So minus and this minus get cancelled. There dy by dx is x square minus y square upon 2xy. ये slope first curve का होता है. We can say it is m1, right? Slope of first curve. Now in similar fashion, to find the slope of second curve. So what is that second curve? Thrice into x square y minus y cube minus 3, that is equals to 0. So similar method you apply there on second curve also, and to find the slope of their curve. That is the tangent. So differentiating with respect to x. Differentiating this expression with respect to x. So if you are applying their differential on both the sides with respect to x, here in first term there is product of two more functions. So applying their product law. First term keep as it is, that is 3x square. And derivative of y with respect to x, it is dy by dxs. Plus y keep as it is into derivative of 3x square with respect to x. So x square का derivative क्या होता है? 2x into 3, that is 6x. मतलब यहाँ पे आप लोगों को क्या मिलेगा? 6x ये टर्म मिलती है. माइनस क्या होगा? y cube का derivative 3y square, and next to find the derivative of y, it is dy by dx. What about the derivative of constant? It is 0. That is equals to 0. Okay. Now here in this case, 3 is common to all, take it outside and you can shift there to RHS, that is 0 by 3 is 0, or dividing toward this expression by 3. इसी एक्सप्रेशन को 3 से डिवाइड करना है आप लोग, तो आप कैसे डिवाइड करेंगे? ओके, so when you divide toward this expression by 3, so there will remain x square into dy by dx plus 3 into 2, that is 2xy, minus y square dy by dx, that is equals to 0. Okay, so dy by dx is common to both, that is from first and last term. So which term will remain here? X square minus y square into dy by dx, that is equals to, ये term right side में shift करना तो minus 2xy मिलेगा. Okay, and what is that dy by dx? dy by dx is minus 2xy upon x square minus y square. Right? So this is slope of second curve. And what about the product of these two slopes? That is m1 into m2. What is product of their slopes? अगर ये define करें m1, we can say it is m1 and then this is what m2. Okay, so what is product of them? तो दोनों का प्रोडक्ट करेंगे तो क्या मिलेगा? x square minus y square, x square minus y square, they will cancel, and 2xy they cancel also. So they remain what? Minus 1. So m1 into m2 is minus 1. It means that these two curves intersect at an right angle. Definitely. Product of slopes is minus 1. Definitely these two curves will intersect at right angle. Right angle क्या होता है? Intersect होता है. बराबर ना? Right angle मतलब क्या होता है? Right angle 90 होता है. So angle between them is 90. Yes, angle between these two curves, between these two curves, that is equals to 90. So 90 is the correct option. 90 ये क्या होता है? Correct option होता है. So if two curves are given and if they ask to find their angle between these two curves, so in that case, yes, how to get their angle between these two curves? By using their concept of differential, means to find their derivative of both these curves. From this, there will get only slopes, and product of slopes, need to find their product of slopes. And if product of slopes is minus 1, it means that definitely they are intersect to each other at an right angle. That is at an angle 90. 90 angle में क्या हो रहे हैं? ये दोनों कर्व intersect होते हैं. Yes. Nature of curves are not known, but product of slopes is minus 1. It means that angle between these two curves is 90. तो ये angle 90 होता है. 90 degrees. Okay. Yes. See the next question. There in application of differential. तो ये दूसरा क्वेश्चन है, देखो. The equation of tangent to curve y is equals to be raised to minus x upon a. आप लोगों को यहाँ पे स्लोप मतलब टेंजेंट फाइंड करना. सो फाइंड द इक्वेशन ऑफ टेंजेंट टू कर्व y is equals to be raised to minus x by a at a point it crosses the x-axis. It crosses the y-axis is. तो आप लोगों को जो कर y-axis को क्रॉस होता है उसी कर का टेंजेंट फाइंड करना. सो इक्वेशन ऑफ कर इज गिवन. तो कौन सा कर है? y is what? be raised to minus x by a. तो पहले आप लोगों को क्या करना है, इनका डेरिवेटिव फाइंड करना, तो टेंजेंट मिलते. सो कंसिडर देयर फंक्शन y is equals to be raised to minus x upon a. What is the derivative? dy by dx. It's a simple b into derivative of exponential b itself, that is e raised to minus x upon a. And next to find the derivative of minus x by a with respect to x, it is minus 1 by a. So minus 1 by a keep as it is, and to derivative of x with respect to x it is 1. So that is equals to minus b upon a into e raised to minus x upon a. ये क्या होता है? dy by dx. ये क्या होता है? dy by dx होता है. Now you know this curve crosses the x-axis. If it crosses the x-axis, that is on x-axis, the value of x, it crosses the y-axis. It means that on y-axis there will be term of x is 0, means x का value क्या होता है? x coordinates will be 0. They are on y-axis. अगर कर्व, अगर ये समझो x होता है, ये y होता है, ये कर्व x y एक्सिस को क्रॉस कर रहे हैं, मतलब इंटरसेक्ट कर रहे हैं, तो यहाँ पे क्या कौन सा पॉइंट मिलेगा? x की वैल्यू क्या होती है? 0 होती है. y का वैल्यू आप लोगों को मिलेगा. सो देयर वैल्यू ऑफ y इज टू बी डिटरमाइंड. यस, सो 0y. तो y की वैल्यू आप कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? देखो फ्रॉम दैट इक्वेशन. यस, तो x अगर 0 रहे तो y की वैल्यू क्या मिलेगी? Substitute x is 0 in this equation of curve, that is y is equals to b into e raised to minus 0. है ना, x की वैल्यू 0 होती है, 0 by 0 e raised to minus 0, and e raised to minus 0 it is 1. मतलब y is equals to b. So at which point their curve will process the y axis 0b. तो 0b इसी पॉइंट के लिए क्या होता है? ये कर्व क्रॉस होता है. कौन सा एक्सिस को? y एक्सिस को क्रॉस करता है. तो इसी पॉइंट के लिए जो टेंजेंट होती है वो टेंजेंट आप लोगों को फाइंड आउट करना. फॉर दिस पॉइंट टू फाइंड द टेंजेंट, और है ना, अगर एक कर्व होता है तो उसको अगर टेंजेंट मिलते हैं, ये कर्व है, देखो समझो ऐसे क्रॉस हो रहा है, तो उसकी टेंजेंट क्या होती है? ये टेंजेंट होती है. सो दिस व्हाट टेंजेंट. सो टेंजेंट एट पॉइंट 0y मतलब 0b, उसके लिए फाइंड करना. टेंजेंट एट मतलब फर्स्ट डेरिवेटिव डिफाइंस द टेंजेंट at point 0b, मतलब x की जगह 0 सब्स्टिट्यूट करना और y की जगह b. तो x की जगह आप 0 सब्स्टिट्यूट करें तो e raised to minus 0 is 1, मतलब minus b by a. So minus b by a is the correct option. Is the correct option. So equation of tangent to curve. Yes. Equation of tangent. Yes, here in this case to find their equation of tangent, but we have got their slope and their point, and if you know their slope and their points, how to get their equation of line? So by using their slope point form, if we have their line with single point and slope, so how to get their equation of line? Suppose there any line which passes through the one of the point like x1 y1 and slope that is m is given. So how to find the equation of line? Y minus y1 is equals to m times into x minus x1. If you know their slope and point on their line, how to get the equation of line? So this is called slope point form. So y minus y1 is equals to m times into x minus x1. So dy by dx at 0b is what? Minus b by a. It defines the slope of their tangent. Okay. And how to get their equation of tangent? The tangent which passes through the point 0b and having slope m. So अगर टेंजेंट पॉइंट कौन से पॉइंट में से पास हो रहे हैं, 0b इसी पॉइंट में से पास हो रहे हैं, अगर एंड स्लोप m हो रहा है, दैट इज माइनस b by a. So how to get the equation of line? In this question what they asked to find the equation of tangent, not to ask their tangent only or their slope. So equation of tangent is obtained, yes, by using the slope point form. So tangent which passes through the point 0b and having slope m is equals to minus b by a. So by using their slope point form, y minus y1, y1 मतलब क्या होता है, b होता है, that is equals to m times into x minus x1. So m क्या होता है, slope होता है, and what is that slope? Minus b by a into x minus x1, that is 0. That is 0. So y minus b, that is equals to minus bx upon a. Upon e. Upon e. Okay. So in this case, if you're dividing through on both these sides by b, so we'll get the simple equation of line. So how to make this expression into simple equation of line? ये जो एक्सप्रेशन आप लोगों को मिला है, आप कैसे सिंपल इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन में एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं, राइट ना? तो दोनों तरफ b से डिवाइड करना. अगर आप b से डिवाइड करोगे तो क्या होगा, y upon y minus b upon b, that is equals to minus bx upon ab is there. मतलब यहाँ पे b और ab कैंसिल होता है, राइट ना? So divide that b to every term. So it is y by b and b by b, it is 1, that is equals to minus x upon a. And after exchanging their terms, what is the equation of line? Standard equation of line is what? X upon a plus y by b, that is equals to 1. It's a simple equation of line. So this will correct option for this question. Okay. So here the next application, that is normal. So how to get their normal? By using their concept of differential. If x plus 4y is equals to 14 is the normal. So equation of normal is given to curve y square is equals to mx cube minus n at point 2, 3. Then value of m plus n is value of m plus n is. आप लोगों को m plus n की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी. तो यहाँ पे m और n कांस्टेंट होते हैं. So here in equation of curve, m and n are constant and x and y are variable quantities. Okay. So consider here the equation of curve and then to find their then to find their equation then to find their derivative. So from their derivative you will get their slope of tangent. Am I right? And from their slope of tangent, how to get their slope of normal? Product of slopes for both is minus 1. So slope of normal is 1 by slope of tangent. Am I right? तो पहले आप लोगों को किसका इक्वेशन लेना है, कर्व का इक्वेशन लेना है. सो y स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू mx क्यूब minus n. Differentiating on both these sides with respect to x. Differentiating this expression on both these sides with respect to x. तो y स्क्वायर का डेरिवेटिव क्या होता है, 2y into dy by dx, that is equals to mx क्यूब. तो उनका डेरिवेटिव क्या होगा, 3m x square, and their derivative of n with respect to x, it is 0 because it is constant. So in this case, what is dy by dx? Dy by dx is equals to 3m x square upon 2y is there. This is our slope, but you find that slope at which point? 2 3. 2 3 इसी पॉइंट के लिए आप लोगों को स्लोप फाइंड करना है, and this is slope of tangent is there. Okay, so dy by dx at 0.23 at 0.23 मतलब x की जगह आप लोगों को 2 सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है और y की जगह 3 सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है. अगर आप 2 सब्स्टिट्यूट करोगे तो क्या होगा? 2 square is 4, 4 into 3 it is 12, 12m अपॉन s क्या होगा बोलो? अपॉन 2y, y की वैल्यू क्या होती है? 3, 3 into 2 is 6, 3 into 2 is 6. Okay, that is equals to 2m. ये 2m आप लोगों को स्लोप किसका मिला है? टेंजेंट का मिला है. ये देखो, ये अगर कर्व हो रहा है तो उसकी टेंजेंट ये होती है. टेंजेंट का स्लोप आप लोगों को मिला है, तो नॉर्मल का स्लोप फाइंड कर सकते हैं. ये नॉर्मल होती है. अगर ये नॉर्मल है, नॉर्मल एंड टेंजेंट दे आर परपेंडिकुलर टू ईच अदर, मींस व्हाट? दे मेक्स द राइट एंगल एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन. मतलब जिस पॉइंट में उन दोनों का इंटरसेक्शन होता है वहां पे एंगल कितना मिलेगा आप लोगों को? 90 का एंगल. सो दिस इज स्लोप ऑफ, ये स्लोप टेंजेंट का मिलेगा. हाउ टू गेट द स्लोप ऑफ नॉर्मल? So slope of normal is reciprocal of slope of their tangent, means reciprocal of minus times into reciprocal of slope of tangent is there. So that is what? Minus 1 by 2m. Minus 1 by 2m. So 2m का reciprocal 1 by 2m. So minus times होता है because product of them is what? Minus 1. Slope of normal and slope of tangent, if you are taking their product, that should be minus 1 because they are perpendicular to each other. तो ये दोनों क्या होते हैं? परपेंडिकुलर. Are you getting everybody? Yes. So slope of normal is minus 1 by 2m and slope of tangent is 2m. यहाँ पे equation of normal दिए. So when you compare this equation of normal or slope of their normal with this slope, from this you will get their value of m. तो ये स्लोप इसी नॉर्मल, अगर ये नॉर्मल होता है तो नॉर्मल का पहले आप लोगों को स्लोप फाइंड करना है. तो नॉर्मल का आप स्लोप कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? सो x plus 4y, we have got this slope from their slope of tangent. Okay, but what actual slope of their normal? So x plus 4y is equals to 14. ये मिला है. स्लोप आप कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? 4y is equals to minus x plus 14. You have to write there in the form of y is equals to mx plus c. So this is what? Slope intersect form. Slope intersect form. So y is equals to minus 1 by 4 into x plus 14 by 4. So here in this equation of normal, which is that slope is minus 1 by 4. तो slope क्या होता है? What is that actual slope of normal? It is minus 1 by 4. And what is that slope of normal from their equation of tangent or from their tangent or from their slope of tangent? It is minus 1 by 2. So just to compare, and after comparing you will get the value of m. So from this we will get their actual value of m after comparing these two slopes, because these two slopes are of normal. Okay, minus 1 by 2m is equals to minus 1 by 4. तो माइनस माइनस कैंसिल होता है, तो m की वैल्यू आप लोगों को 2 मिलेगी. m की वैल्यू आप लोगों को क्या मिलते हैं? 2 मिलते. अगर m की वैल्यू मिल रही है तो हाउ टू गेट देयर वैल्यू ऑफ n? यस. So here on this curve their point is 2 3, means what? Their point will satisfy their equation of curve. ये पॉइंट इसी कर्व के ऊपर है, मतलब ये पॉइंट क्या होता है? इक्वेशन ऑफ कर्व सेटिस्फाई करता है. So what is that equation of curve? Y square is equals to mx cube minus n. और इसी कर्व के ऊपर कौन सा पॉइंट होता है? तो ये पॉइंट होता है दैट इज 2 3. इट मीन्स दैट दिस पॉइंट विल सेटिस्फाई देयर इक्वेशन ऑफ कर्व. तो y की वैल्यू क्या होती है 3, दैट इज 3 स्क्वायर इट इज 9. x cube means what 2 cube that is 8m minus n. And already you know their value of m is 2, where we can substitute in this expression. तो इसी एक्सप्रेशन में आप लोगों को m की वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करनी है. तो m की वैल्यू क्या होती है 2. सो 9 is equals to 8 into 2 that is 16 minus n, where m is what, m is equals to 2. तो पहले आप लोगों को m और n की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी. So what is that n? n is equals to 16 minus 9, that is 7. So n is equals to 7. But in this example, what is that question to find the value of m plus n? So what is that value of m plus n? So m plus n is, m is odd 2, n is odd 7, that is 7 plus 2 is 9. And this is what correct option. ये क्या होता है? करेक्ट ऑप्शन इसी क्वेश्चन के लिए होता है. Right na? So here in this example, equation of normal is given, and this normal to curve y square is mx cube minus n, at which point 2 3. So when curve is given, need to find their slope. And how to get the slope of tangent? That is what? Yes, dy by dx means what 2m, at which point 2 3 is there. And once you are getting the slope of tangent, we can get the slope of normal. And slope of normal is minus times into reciprocal of slope of tangent, because product of slopes for both is minus 1. Okay, because they are perpendicular to each other. तो m plus n की वैल्यू आप लोगों को क्या मिली है? 9 मिलती है. See the next question. So it is one of the application of the differential. The position of a point in time t is given by x is equals to a plus bt minus ct square, and y is equals to at plus bt square. Y is equals to at plus bt square. Its acceleration at time t is, its acceleration at time t is. ओके, मतलब आप लोगों को इसी क्वेश्चन में से एक्सेलरेशन फाइंड आउट करना है. सो एक्सेलरेशन इज नथिंग बट डबल डेरिवेटिव, एंड बाय सिंगल डेरिवेटिव you will get their velocity. Okay, so here in this position of a point in time t, two more functions are given, but having the parameter as t, means x and y are functions of parameter t. So need to find their dy by dx, and dy by dx means what? It's a velocity to their position of a point in a time t. Am I right? And at the same way, to find their acceleration means to find their one more differential, that is second order differential. Okay, so consider here the parametric functions. And what are the parametric functions? X is equals to a plus bt minus ct square. need to find their first derivative. And what is that first derivative? This dx by dt. So what is that derivative for x with respect to t? So in this case, you keep the t as a, or you take the t as a independent variable. So a का derivative क्या होता है? 0 होता है, plus b is constant and derivative of t with respect to t it is 1, minus derivative of t square it is 2t, means what? 2ct is there. Okay, so this is what dx by dt. Now next to find their second derivative. What is that second derivative? D square y by dx square, d square x by dt square. So if you are differentiating with respect to t, so what is the differential with respect to t? That is what? Minus 2c. That is what? Minus 2c. Means what? Acceleration in which direction? X direction. This acceleration will be in x direction. मतलब ये acceleration x direction में हो. This acceleration will be in x direction. Now in similar fashion, you take there one more parametric function, that is y. Y is equals to at plus bt square. What is the dy by dt? Dy by dt is equals to e into t with respect to t it is 1 and t square का derivative 2t होता है. So what to write there? 2bt. But this is what first derivative. What is defined? It's a velocity. In which direction? Y direction. Now one more differential is there, that is d square y by dt square. So what is the derivative with respect to t? Once again, the derivative of constant is 0, and then 2b into derivative of t with respect to t is 1. Means what? This acceleration will be in which direction? Y direction. तो ये acceleration आप लोगों को कौन से डायरेक्शन में मिलेगा? Y के डायरेक्शन में. Okay? How to get that resulting acceleration? We have got their acceleration in x direction and y direction. And how to get the resulting acceleration? Resultant acceleration is, yes, what is that? Resultant acceleration is nothing but positive root of sum of squares of its, yes, component. Okay, so d square by x by dt square, its square, and then d square y by dt square, its square. This is what resulting acceleration, resultant acceleration is. Now that is root of, yes, minus 2c whole square, minus 2c whole square plus 2b whole square. And after expanding, so what will be there in root? तो root में कौन से टर्म मिलती है? 4c square plus 4b square is. What is that common to both? 4. 4 times into b square plus c square. And then to find their root to every term, so root of 4 is 2, so 2 times into root of b square plus c square. 2 times into root of b square plus c square. So this is what? Resultant acceleration. So initially you have to find their acceleration in x and y direction. Right ना? ये कौन सा होता है? Acceleration y की direction में. Acceleration in y direction. ये acceleration किसके direction में होता है? x की direction. आप लोगों को resultant acceleration find out करना है. तो क्या करोगे? So it is nothing but positive root of sum of square of its component. Means what? D square x by dt square whole square plus d square y by dt square whole square is. So 4 is common to both. अगर 4 common ले रहे तो root of 4 times into b square plus c square is there. So root of a भी आप कैसे लिखते हो? root a into root b. तो root of 4 क्या मिलेगा? 2 into root of b square plus c square. So this way to find the acceleration at time t. Okay. See here the next example. Displacement of a particle at time t displacement of a particle at time t is expressed as s is equals to 1 by 2 times into t cube minus 60. ये डिस्प्लेसमेंट होती है. Find acceleration at time when velocity vanishes. Find acceleration at time t when the velocity vanishes. Velocity vanishes. Okay. So from that displacement, need to find their velocity first. And how we get that velocity? Yes. Let the displacement s is half times into t cube minus 60. Differentiating s with respect to t, it's a first derivative called as velocity. So velocity is nothing but dx by dt. So differentiating with respect to t. So what is their derivative of t cube? It is 3t square. So 3t square upon 2 minus 6. It's a velocity. Now next to find their acceleration. And what is that acceleration? Acceleration is second derivative of s with respect to t. Means derivative of velocity with respect to t means what? It's a acceleration. So what is that? d square s by dt square. तो आप लोगों को दो बार यहाँ पे डिस्प्लेसमेंट का डेरिवेटिव लेना है विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू टी. एंड व्हाट इज डिफाइन? यस, इट गिव्स अस द एक्सेलरेशन, एंड फ्रॉम फोर्थ डेरिवेटिव इट गिव्स अस द वेलोसिटी. ओके. सो व्हाट इज दैट नेक्स्ट डेरिवेटिव? टी स्क्वायर का डेरिवेटिव क्या होता है? 2t. 2 into 3 दैट इज 60 अपॉन 2 इज दैट. एंड डेरिवेटिव ऑफ माइनस 6 इट इज 0. तो यहाँ पे क्या मिलेगा? 3t. So 3t be a acceleration at time t, but need to find their value of acceleration when velocity vanishes. Velocity vanishes means what? Velocity will be 0. And what is that velocity? Yes, when velocity vanishes. Velocity vanishes means velocity will be 0. So what it uses? That is 3t square minus 6. 3t square upon 2 minus 6, that is 0. तो आप लोगों को t की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी. सो 3t स्क्वायर दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 2 into 6, इट इज 12. सो 3 4s are 12. So therefore value of t is equals to plus 2 plus minus 2 is. So from this you take their time t as 2, not to take their t as minus 2. So at time t is equals to 2, their value of acceleration is what? 3 into 2, it is 6. So 3t, 3 into 2, that is 6 units. Be a acceleration to their displacement when their velocity vanishes. When their velocity vanishes. तो ये क्या होते हैं? So these are the number of applications of their differential. We'll see their next application. Yes. The equation of tangent to curve y is equals to minus 6x square plus 6x plus 5 at a point at the point 1 by 3 1 by 2 is. So in this example, need to find a equation of tangent to curve at which point 1 by 3 1 by 2. तो पहले आप लोगों को स्लोप फाइंड करना जरूरी है. So need to find the slope of that tangent to curve at which point 1 by 3 1 by 2. Alright, and how to get their slope? And slope will be obtained by taking derivative of y with respect to x. That is called the first derivative. First derivative is there. So consider here the equation of curve. So let the equation of curve is y is equal to minus 6x square plus 6x plus 5. And what is that first derivative? dy by dx. तो इनका फर्स्ट डेरिवेटिव लेना. एंड व्हाट इज दैट फर्स्ट डेरिवेटिव? x स्क्वायर का डेरिवेटिव क्या होता है? 2x minus 12x plus 6 minus 12x plus 6. But it is slope of that tangent. And how to get the slope of tangent at which point 1 by 3 1 by 2? So ये slope of tangent, that is m, means what? Slope of tangent at which point 1 by 3 1 by 2. 1 by 3 1 by 2 1 by 3 1 by 2. मतलब x की जगह 1 by 3 सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है और y की जगह 1 by 2. So if there are terms of x and y, if there is only term of x, you can substitute there x is 1 by 3. So minus 12 into 1 by 3 plus 6. So 3 into 4, 3 4s are 12, means there remain 4 only. 3 1s are 3 and then 3 4s are 12. So minus 4 plus 6, that is plus 2. Now plus 2 be the slope of that tangent, and then that same tangent which passes through the point 1 by 3 1 by 2, means we have there one of the point and slope of their line. So how to get the equation of line? By using their slope point form. So these are the x1 y1. हा x1 y1 असेल. तो आप लोग कैसे फाइंड करते हैं इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन? ये स्लोप होता है y minus y1 is m times into x minus x1 is there. So y minus y1 means what? 1 by 2, and slope of that tangent is what? 2. So x minus x1 is what? 1 by 3 is 1 by 3. Okay, take here cross multiplication. 2y minus 1 upon 2, that is equals to 2 times into 3x minus 1 upon 3. Okay, now next you take their cross multiplication. So 3 times into 2y minus 1, that is equals to 2 into 2 is 4. 4 times into 3x minus 1 is. Okay, so 2 into 2 4, and then 3 times into 2y minus 1, it is 6y minus 3, that is equals to 4 into 3 12x. तो यहाँ पे आप लोगों को 12x मिलेगा. Minus 4 is there. And collect all terms to LHS or RHS, that doesn't matter. So when you are taking all these terms in RHS, in LHS there will be 0. So 12x minus 4 minus 6y plus 3 is there. And after simplifying, so what term will be there? And after simplifying, you interchange their sides. After interchanging their sides, so what will remain there? 12x minus 6y, and then minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1, that is equals to 0. It's a equation of tangent. So this equation of tangent having slope m is 2 and passing through the point 1 by 3 1 by 3. तो फर्स्ट डेरिवेटिव से आप लोगों को tangent मिलेगी, लेकिन at point 1 by 3 1 by 2 it will slope of that tangent. Okay, and if you know their slope and their point, we can get their equation of line. And what is that equation of line? 12x माइनस 6y माइनस 1, तो ये क्या होता है, सही ऑप्शन होता है. सो दिस वॉट करेक्ट ऑप्शन. Yes. So there next question, and this is what the application of differential. Next question is that find the approximate value of find the approximate value of root of cubic root of 511. इनकी अप्रोक्सीमेट वैल्यू आप कैलसी से भी फाइंड कर सकते हैं, बट दिस वैल्यू इज नॉट एक्सपेक्टेड. ओके, सो नीड टू फाइंड देयर अप्रोक्सीमेट वैल्यू बाय, यस, by their differential, by their concept of differential. We know here the Taylor series expansion. What is the Taylor series expansion? I will state the result of Taylor series. So Taylor series क्या होती है? So let f of x plus h, ये आप कैसे लिख सकते हैं? f of x plus h into f dash of x plus a square by 2 factorial into f double dash of x plus and so on. ये टेलर सीरीज होती है. So we can write their Taylor series in powers of h or powers of x. Both the ways we can write. एक तो आप ये टेलर सीरीज x के पावर में लिख सकते हैं या h के पावर में लिख सकते हैं, लेकिन h क्या होता है? इट इज स्मॉल इंक्रीमेंट इन x होता है, राइट? दिस इज स्मॉल इंक्रीमेंट इन x, राइट? अगर ये स्मॉल इंक्रीमेंट होता है तो कैसे आप यहाँ पे चूज करेंगे? फ्रॉम दिस गिवन एक्सप्रेशन you have to write that given expression in the form of f of x plus h, या फॉर्म मध्ये लिहायचं आहे. तो आप कैसे लिखोगे? x plus h is, मैं कैसे लिखूंगा? यस, क्यूबिक रूट ऑफ फाइव वन टू प्लस minus 1 is. What is that small increment? What is that small increment? Yes, minus 1 is there. So 512 is cube of 8 is there. So hence I have taken here 512. Okay, तो 512 क्या होता है? क्यूब ऑफ 8 होता है, राइट ना? यस, इट इज करेक्ट, नो डाउट. तो x की वैल्यू क्या लेंगे आप? 512 लेंगे, राइट ना? तो x की वैल्यू आप लोगों को 512 लेना है एंड h की वैल्यू क्या लेना है? -1 लेना है, राइट? आफ्टर कंपेयरिंग हियर द एक्सप्रेशन विद द टेलर्स फंक्शन, दैट इज f of x plus h. तो x की वैल्यू आप लोग क्या लेंगे? x is equals to 512 और h की वैल्यू क्या लेंगे? -1 लेंगे, राइट? तो f of x मतलब कैसे आप लोग लिखोगे? x के फॉर्म में इट इज नथिंग बट क्यूबिक रूट ऑफ x प्लस h, ऐसे मैं लिखूंगा क्योंकि पहले आप लोगों ने यहाँ पे कैसे डिफाइन किया है? 512 के लिए x और -1 के लिए h, तो मैं ऐसे लिखा है. तो f of x आप लोगों को मिल सकता है. सो f of x प्लस h इज, कैसे लिख रहे हैं? क्यूबिक रूट ऑफ x प्लस h. मतलब f of x क्या मिलेगा आप लोगों को? f of x इज क्यूबिक रूट ऑफ काय मिळेल सांगा रे? x मिळेल. सो ये सही फंक्शन होता है इन टर्म्स ऑफ x, बिकॉज सच ए काइंड ऑफ फंक्शन वी एक्सपेक्ट वेयर इन, यस, कहां पे लगता है? यहां पे लगता है इन देयर टेलर सीरीज, राइट ना? सो f डैश ऑफ x चाहिए. सो क्यूबिक रूट ऑफ x मतलब क्या होता है रे? x रेज टू 1/3. Can you find that f dash of x here in this series? So either you consider here first two term or three terms, not to consider there more than three terms or four terms. So if you are considering that first two term, that doesn't matter. अगर पहले दोनों term यहाँ पे consider करें तो भी चलेगा. From this you will get there. So you know h into f dash of x plus a square by 2 factorial into f double dash of x. So these are negligible terms. That is smallest increment in their function. तो function क्या होता है? f of x होता है. and except f of x, those terms are here in this series. These terms defines the smallest terms, that is negligible terms. Okay, तो आप एक टर्म कंसिडर कर सकते हैं या दो भी टर्म कंसिडर कर सकते हैं. So what is f dash of x? f dash of x क्या होगा रे? 1/3 टाइम्स इनटू x raised to 1/3 minus 1, that is minus 2/3. ऐसे लिखें. बराबर. अगर x की वैल्यू 512 होती है तो क्या होगा रे? यहाँ पे बोलो f of x. सो x की वैल्यू 512 होती है तो x की जगह 512 लिखना है और h की जगह -1 लिखना है, तो f of x प्लस में h मिलेगा. बराबर ना? f of x प्लस h मिलेगा. वेट है. Okay. So how to write their f of x plus h in the form of 512 plus -1? Yes. तो ये आप कैसे लिखते हैं? देखो f of x plus h मतलब x की वैल्यू क्या होती है? क्यूबिक रूट ऑफ, देखो क्यूबिक रूट ऑफ x की वैल्यू 512 प्लस -1. So replace their x by 512 and h by -1 in this series. तो पहले खाली दो टर्म लिखना है, दो ही टर्म ले लो चाहे तो. So f of 512 ये वैल्यू आप लोगों को चाहिए प्लस h into f dash of x मतलब -1 into f dash of 512 ये वैल्यू आप लोगों को फाइंड. So which values are expected to get their approximate values? F of 512 and f dash of 512 also. So f of x is what? X raised to 1/3. तो f dash of f of x मतलब क्या मिलेगा? 512 raised to 1/3 and 512 is cube of 8, that is 8 cube raised to 1/3. So after simplifying you will get the 8. तो ये 3 और ये 3 cancel होता है. So 8 is the pure value. Okay, now next to find the f dash of x. So f dash of x क्या होता है रे? 1/3 into x raised to -2/3 ऐसी वैल्यू. तो f dash of 512 लेना. So 1/3 टाइम्स इंटू x की वैल्यू आप लोगों को 512 सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है रेस्ट टू -2/3. So 512 is nothing but cube of 8. So I have to write there in the form of cube. So 8 cube raised to -2/3. So 3 और ये 3 cancel होता है. So there will remain 8 raised to -2. And 8 raised to -2 means what? 1/3 times into 8 square, that is 64. So this simplification will be 192 is there. Okay. Yes, 1/192. Now substitute these values where in this calculation. So f of 512, तो f of 512 आप लोगों को कौन सी वैल्यू मिलती है? तो 8 वैल्यू मिलती है. देखो यहाँ पे 8 लिखना. So 8 plus -1 times into 1/192. And after simplifying, so what value will be there? That is equal to 7.99. ए क्या होता है? सही ऑप्शन होता है. This is what correct option in this fashion. And this approximate value will get by using their application of differential. Okay. So we have seen here the different kinds of application of their differential need to apply properly and to find their correct values. Okay. So 7.99 is the correct value for their approximate value of cubic root of IU1. Okay. So last 5 minutes are there. So any doubt you can ask. Yes. Otherwise I will conclude here this lecture. Yes, okay. No questions are from you side. So I conclude this lecture. चलो ओके आसन इस कर दो